Create environment variables. Environment variables are containers that are used to store values that are going to be consistently used within a solution. They can be referenced within PowerApps or flows, for example, to store a file path to a data source that is used throughout your build. Let's learn more by watching the following video. We start by selecting New from the menu at the top of the screen, preceded by More, then Environment Variables from the expanding menus. We are now given 4 fields: display name, name, description, and data type. Display name, the name which is displayed in the list of solutions. Name, a unique name which is auto-generated using the display name. You can edit this before you save the solution, but after you save the solution, you can't change it. Description, you can provide details of what your environment variable holds. Data type, the type of data connection you want to create. We are connecting to a SharePoint data source, so we select Data Source and Connector, SharePoint. Parameter type, we are given the option to connect to a site, or to a list. For this environment variable, we select Site, as we are connecting to a SharePoint site. Finally, we select the new site value. We navigate to the SharePoint site that we want to use as our data source. Once you have entered the above, press the Save button. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.